रशियेकडल्यान S-400 मिसायल सिस्टम विकती घेवपाक अमेरिकेन भारताक निर्बंधांतल्यान सूट दिल्या. अमेरिकेच्या संसदेत CAATSA ह्या कायद्यात बदल करपाचे खातीर विधेयक भोवमत मंजूर जाले. देखून रशियेकडल्यान S-400 मिसायल सिस्टम विकती घेवपाचो भारताचो मार्ग मेकळो जाला. चीनाची भारतीय शिमेवयली आक्रमक भूमिका मोडून काडपा खातीर अमेरिकेन सरकारान हो निर्णय घेतला. काउंटरिंग अमेरिकाज एडवायझरीज थ्रू सॅक्शन ॲक्ट हो अमेरिकेचो सगळ्यात कठोर कायदो. ह्या कायद्या खाला रशियेकडल्यान आमी विकती घेतल्यार वा तसो यत्न सुरू केल्यार अमेरिका ह्या कायद्या खाला खंयच्याय देशाक सोडिना. पूण भारताच्या बाबतींत अमेरिकेन सौम्य भूमिका दाखयल्या.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to thank Chairman Smith for his extraordinary leadership in having a strong amendment to affirm the U.S.-India Defense Partnership. I want to thank Ranking Member Rogers for making this amendment truly bipartisan. There is no relationship of greater significance to the United States' strategic interests than the U.S.-India Partnership. It is necessary to affirm democracies. It is necessary to stop China's border aggression. It's necessary for us to lead in critical technologies. This gives a sense that while we're building this relationship, we should not be sanctioning India under CAATSA, and it also will help facilitate the India getting more of their defense from the United States and not Russia. I just want to thank again Chairman Smith for his leadership and making sure that this is bipartisan. And I want to thank Kate Gold for her work on our staff and the HASC staff on this and all the other amendments. Thank you.